Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools that I will be using, then the exact time frame I will be using also. Okay, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's start with GainX. So this is GainX 1200. This had been on uptrend after I reviewed it in the morning. Okay, so it's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so and it is still following that trend. Right now, we expect it to get to this region. So if you are still in the trade, then you should be targeting this spot. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so take note of that. This is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity for Gain-X 1200. Okay, remember my analysis is on 550 minutes time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so let's move on to Gain-X 999. This is Gain-X 999. It started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see it has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. And of course, guys, it broke out below this particular support zone at this point to get to a new support zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from this new support zone, then definitely we are most likely to have a change in direction of the trend, that is from a downtrend to an uptrend. But for now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be PinX 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PinX 1200, and of course, this had been on downtrend for a while. Okay, it broke out from this particular support zone to get to a new support zone at this point. It has not been able to break out from here, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. However, if it breaks out below this particular support zone, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then it will continue with the trend, okay, with the uptrend. Okay, so this is buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999, and of course, this also has been on downtrend for a while, right from this resistance zone down to this support zone. But right from there, it started an uptrend, got to this resistance zone, and had a major pullback. So it will be going back there again to try it out to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from here, then we should be targeting this particular spot. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay. Next asset, which is going to be the last one for today, is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. Our FX volume 80 started an uptrend right from here, and it bought in, it got to this resistance zone, and of course it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend which got to this particular region. So right now it will be trying out the resistance zone again. If it gets to this resistance zone, it will try to see if it will break out from there. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend, and this time around it's going to sell for long. Okay, so but for now it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.